Tananatum Tana Nadirthim Tananatum Tana Nadirthim Tananatum Tana Nadirthim Tananatum Tana Nadirthim Tananatum
Namaskaram and Gurubhyo Namaha. Good evening to all the parents and guests gathered here on this auspicious occasion of Gaja Puja. Students of Saraswati Kala Kendra, to be precise, 7 most talented students of Saraswati Kala Kendra. With folded hands and gladness in our heart, a very warm welcome to all our guests, the honorable guest and the guest of honor. Today we are celebrating International Dance Day on the auspicious occasion of Selangai Puja. Direction of Saraswati Kala Kendra and our Guru Natya Sharda, Srimati Subhita Murli. Saraswati Kala Kendra was started in the year 1992 with the sole aim of promoting young students in this art field. The chairperson of Saraswati Kala Kendra has been in this field of dance since past 3 decades. She is a Nritya Visharad in Bharatnatyam. She has completed her training in Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi and performed Ranga Pravesham. She is a postgraduate in Commerce and Economics. She took her master's degree in Indian Art and Culture from Mumbai University. Masters in Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu University and was presently pursuing her PhD. She took training in Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi under the tutelage of Dr. Srimati Rajalakshmi Seth, exponent of Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. She also attended workshops of late Guru Kalanidhi Narayanan Mami from Madras, who is an exponent of Bharatanatyam. She has performed extensively in classical and folk styles, with a vision of spreading her knowledge and training young talents in this rich art form. She started her institution. She has been training, choreographing more than thousands of students in classical and semi-classical, fusion, contemporary, international, instrumental, and dance ballet. She has been training and choreographing not only in her institution, but also in many other schools all over Mumbai for prestigious festivals, competitions, and have been appreciated and honored with accolades and prizes. Saraswati Kala Kendra and Research Center, established in the year 1992, is affiliated to Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, Maharashtra. It's a member of IWCF, International Council of Dance, CID France, and UNESCO. Saraswati Kala Kendra is aiming to train students to qualify certificate courses, diploma, Visharad, teachers training course, etc. Thus aiming to develop the institution as a center of learning dance forms. It needs support and patronage of art laws and various cultural organizations in its future endeavor. As symbolic of women empowerment, she has won the title of Perfect Woman Mrs. India Intellectual 2018. Saraswati Kala Kendra is grateful for the immense support given by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, for giving their support and recognition, and also the Department of Culture of Maharashtra. Please put your hands together for Srimati Subhita Murli. Now we start with today's program. To all of you who are seated here, who have taken time to come here, we thank you for being with us. We seek the blessings of the Almighty Divinity and the kind visions of each of you in the audience to bless our young dancers as they come forward to present their talents. In this ritual, you have already seen the dancers are standing in front of the rice. Rice is a symbol of purity and fertility. Rice signifies Bhumi Devi. We pay our humble respect to her and take her blessings before wearing the gungrus to perform. As a part of purifying their feet, before stepping on the rice, they purify it with turmeric and apply alta on their feet.
Come in front. You can step.
Mahaganapadim Manasa Smarami. നാമദേവാദിവർദ്ധിത മഹാഗണപതിയും ഗമഭനി ഹിമഭനി ഗമഭനി മഹാദേവസുതം ഗുരു ഗുഹനൂതം മഹാദേവസുതം ഗുരു ഗുഹനൂതം മാരകോടി പ്രകാശം ശാന്തം മാരകോടി പ്രകാശം ശാന്തം മഹാകാവ്യനാടകാദിപ്രിയം മഹാകാവ്യനാടകാദിപ്രിയം മൂഷികവാഹനമോദകപ്രിയം മഹാകാവ്യനാടകാദിപ്രിയം മൂഷികവാഹനമോദകപ്രിയം പമഗമരി സരി സരി സ പമഗമ പ ധനി സരി ഗമ മരി സരി സരി പമ പ പമഗമരി സരി സരി പമഗമ പ ധനി സരി ഗമ മരി സരി സരി പമ സാനി പമഗമ നി പമരി ഗമരി രി രി സ സാനി പമഗമരി സരി പമഗമരി സരി സരി പമഗമ പ ധനി സരി ഗമ മരി സരി സനി പ സാനി പമഗമ നി പമരി ഗമരി രി രി സ സാനി പമഗമരി സരി രി സ സാനി പമഗമരി രി സ സാനി പമഗമരി സരി ഗമ ഗണപതിയോ.
So next, the students will be gifted with gungru from their guru. This is a very prestigious occasion for each student to get the gungru from their teacher.
You can leave.
In praise of Lord Ganesha, Salangai Puja, a ceremony of wearing the salangai on the ankle bells of the dancer, the most auspicious part of ornamentation, is worn on the ankles of the dancer so that the foot movements or the dance steps is elevated to the musical sound and gives rhythmic expressions. After puja, the dancer receives the bells from the guru. Wearing the salangai for the first time, the dancer takes her first steps onto the stage to tell the audience that she has learned, begin to understand this divine and beautiful rhythm and movements of Bharatanatyam. It does not say that the dancer has mastered the art, but it does say that she has learned and understood the basics of this art. Previously, this ritual down south was done in temples, but here we don't have such a big temple or where people can sit and watch the gungurus being worn. So we celebrate or we do it in the hall. And we are grateful enough to our beloved MLA that he has built such a magnificent hall for us in Mira Bhayandar. Guru will give the gunguru to each and every student. First, Tashvi Pujari. This is a very big moment for the young students to get the gunguru from the guru. Karen Chettiar. Priyal Mali. Akshara Pillai. Avisha Sharma. Pranali Pawar. This ritual will be followed by Guru Dakshina to Guru vocalist, and all the musicians. I request the parents to be ready with the Guru Dakshina in the same order. Jari gives Guru Dakshina and seeks blessings from Guru. तालियों की गूंज होनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट अक्षरा पिल्लई. अब मुझे लगता है कि मुझे भी यहाँ से ताली बजानी पड़ेगी. अविशा शर्मा. कविप्रिया कान सिंह. and Mrinali Pawar. To the orchestra, Tashvi Pujari, Karen Chettiar, Priyal Mali, Akshara Pillai, Avisha Sharma, Kavipriya Tansingh and Mrinali Pawar. They will give Guru Dakshina, the vocalist and all the musicians. Vocalist Sri N.N. Shivaprasad. On Mridangam we have Sri Prajish Nair. Please come on the stage, please, Prajish. On violin we have Sri Krishnan Natarajan. And on flute we have Bharat Raj. I also call upon stage Sri Vasudevan. Yeah. He is the man behind these beautiful faces and costumes. Sri Vasudevan. Prajesh Nair. Shri. And Shri Vasudevan sir. Steeped in rich traditions of Carnatic music, he received training in Carnatic music under renowned Guru Sri K. M. Krishnan and Sopanam style under his father Sri V. N. Narayana Nambudiri. With a career spanning over 4 decades, he has graced numerous stages both as solo and as an accompanying artist for dancers of Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. His exceptional talent has recognized with numerous awards including Sangeeta Pravina, Suraratna, Kalaratna, Shivali Sangeet Shiromani, Girnar Sangeet Ratna, only to name a few. He has also been honored with Sangeet Pravina by Nateshwara in Baden, Switzerland, and Nada Veda Shri by Vasai Fine Arts. A versatile artist, he has collaborated with fusion music bands and has lent his voice to numerous recordings. He has also performed extensively in India and abroad, and also for many productions in All India Radio and Doordarshan. His career highlights include an esteemed invitation to perform in New York in 2015 at Newport Jazz Festival, where he shared the stage with internationally acclaimed artists. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shri N. N. Shivaprasad. An upcoming talent percussionist from Mumbai has completed 7-year Mridangam course in Shanmughananda Fine Arts and Sangeet Vidyalaya under the skillful tutelage of his guru, Shri Vaikum S. Gopakumar. He recently bagged the prestigious Bharat Ratna M.S. Subbalakshmi Fellowship from Shri Shanmughananda Sangeeta Sabha. He has been performing solo as well as accompanying music concerts all over India and abroad. Please welcome Shri Prajesh C. Nair on Mridangam. A vocalist and violinist, he is currently disciple of Guru Radha Nambudiri, Pandit Arun Kashalkar and Guru Shanta Balasubramani. He has performed in various festivals in India and has accompanied in violin many Vidwan in Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shri Krishna Natarajan on violin. Started learning the Carnatic flute under the tutelage of renowned flute maestro, late Vidwan A.V. Prakash of Mysore. He has been continuing his flute lessons under watchful eyes of Vidwan A.P. Krishna Prasad. Has performed extensively across India and US, both as a solo and accompanying for eminent dancers. He has been learning the intricacies of Hindustani Basuri from Pandit Rakesh Chaurasia in Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bharat Raj on flute. Themselves, I will call upon Tashvi Pujari and introduce herself.
Everyone, Namaskaram. I am Tashvi Pujari, daughter of Shanta Pujari and Kumar Pujari. I am a student of class 8 and have been learning Bharatnatyam from my guru, Natya Sharda Srimati Subita Murli. I am in 5th grade in Bharatnatyam. I am passionate about this beautiful art form and feel fortunate to have such wonderful guidance. Today is a very auspicious day for me as I perform Salangai Puja. In this ceremony, I tied the sacred anklets, which is the Pavitra Ghungru on my feet, which is a very special moment for any Bharatnatyam dancer. I am very grateful for this special day and I thank everyone present here for attending this Salangai Puja. Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful. Next, Karen Chettiar.
Good evening everyone present here. My name is Karen Cyril Chettiar. I'm the daughter of Cyril and Agnes Shetya. I finished my 5th standard and I'm going to 6th. I'm passionate about dance at a very small age, and I'm learning this dance from junior KG. And my guru Subita Murli teaches me. And today is an auspicious day for me where I get my gunguru and dance on the stage. Thank you for gathering all and for your blessing. Thank you.
Great. Priyal Mali.
Good evening, everyone. I am Priyal Mali, daughter of Jignesh Mali and Deepika Mali. I am studying in Standard 6th. I am passionate about Bharatnatyam dance and learning it from my guru Natya Sharda Srimati Subitha Murli. Today is a very auspicious day for me as I will be performing in my Salangai Puja, in which I will tie the Pavitra Ghungru on my feet. Thank you everyone for coming here for attending my Salangai Puja.
Very good. Akshara Pillai.
Namaskaram. I am Akshara Pillai, daughter of Manoj Gopal Pillai and Audrey Pillai. I am passionate about Bharatnatyam dance and I love dancing on the rhythm joyfully. It's my grandmother's wish to see me dance, and my father and mother are fulfilling her dreams, and it became my dream too. I also thank my guru Srimati Subita Murli, who is teaching me and supporting me in my dance journey. Today is an auspicious day, and I thank you all for seeing me perform in today's Salangai Puja. Thank you.
Very cute. Avisha Sharma.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Avisha Sharma, and I am the daughter of Shri Amit Sharma and Srimati Isha Sharma. I am learning Bharatnatyam when I was 4 years of age in 2017 under the guidance of Natya Shardha Srimati Subita Murli ma'am. I am honored and privileged that Subita ma'am is my guru, and she is teaching me so well and giving us a chance to perform on various dance festival. And she is a truly inspired teacher. Thank you.
Lovely. Kavi Priya Tansing.
Good evening, everyone. Myself is Kavipriya Thansing, the daughter of Thansing Rangan and Sarvana Kumari Thansing, who has finished junior college. A journey of 1,000 mil began with single step, as probably say our first step by Salangai Puja, with the guidance of our Guru Srimati Subita Murli and encouragement our passion in Bharatnatyam. Thank you so much.
Great. That was great. And last but not the least, Mrunali Pawar.
Good evening, everyone. Namaskar. Myself, Mrunali Mahesh Pawar, daughter of Mahesh Pawar and Matali Mahesh Pawar. I'm currently studying in 12th standard. I'm learning Bharatnatyam as a dancer from last 5 years. From my guru, Natya Shradha Srimati Subita Murli. I'm really passionate about my Bharatnatyam dance, as I'm blessed that my guru is always behind me and my parents are always supporting me. Thank you so much for your precious time, and today is a really auspicious day for me as a Bharatnatyam dancer, because today is my Salangai Puja, where I'll get blessed by my guru with ghungrus, and I thank you all for your precious time. Thank you.
That was stupendous, Mrunali. Now we start with our program with the first item called Pushpanjali. The rest of the program will be hosted by Venkatesh.
Thank you. So our first dance recital is Pushpanjali in Ragam Gambhira Natai and Talam Adi. We start with an invocatory piece, Pushpanjali. Here the dancer offers flowers at the feet of Lord to all the directions and to the audience present here. It is said that the moment the dancer enters the stage with the opening item, she sets the tone and mood of the audience in their journey through the world of dance. So Devi or Sajjano, let us welcome all with Pushpanjali in Ragam Gambhira Natai and Talam Adi.
ದಿತ್ತೂಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತೈ ತಾಂ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ದಿತ್ತೂಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತೈ ತಾಂ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ದಿತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೈ ತಾಂ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ದಿತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೈ ತಾಂ ದಿ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ದಿತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೈ ತಾಂ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ದಿತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೈ ತಾಂ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ದಿತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೈ ತಾಂ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿ 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 ಕಿಟತಕ ದಿತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೈ ತಗತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ತೈ ತತ್ತೋಡಗತಾಂ ತಂದಂ ದಂ ದಂ ದಿ ದಿಂ 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 ತಗತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ತೈ ದಿ 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 ತೈ ದಿಗುತಗ ದಿಗುತೋ ಗಸ್ತಂಗ ದಿಗುತಗ ದಿಗುತೋ ಗಸ್ತಂಗ ದಿಗುತೋ ಗಸ್ತಂಗ ದಿಗುತೊಂಗ ದಿ 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 ತೈ ದಿಗುತಗ ದಿಗುತೋ ಗಸ್ತಂಗ ದಿಗುತಗ ದಿಗುತೋ ಗಸ್ತಂಗ ದಿಗುತೋ ಗಸ್ತಂಗ ದಿಗುತೊಂಗ ಗುತ್ತ ಕಿಟ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ತುಂಗ ತೋಡಗದಂ ತೋಂದಿ ತೋಡಿ ಗುತ್ತಗ ತೋಡಗದಂ ತೋಂದಿ ಗುತ್ತ ಕಿಟ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ತುಂಗ ತೋಡಗದಂ ತೋಂದಿ ತೋಡಿ ಗುತ್ತಗ ತೋಡಗದಂ ತೋಂದಿ ತಂದಾಂ ದಂ ದಿಂ ದಿಂ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ತೈ ತಾಂ ದಂ ದಿಂ ದಿಂ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ತೈ ತಂದಾಂ ದಂ ದಿಂ ದಿಂ ತತ್ತೋಡಂಗ ತಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ತೈ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಮೋದಗ ಹಸ್ತ ಚಾಮರ ಕರ್ಣ ವಿಲಂಬಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಕುದಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತೆಗೆ ತೋಡಗದಂ ತೋಡಗದಂ ತೋಂದಿ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಮೋದಗ ಹಸ ಚಾಮರ ಕರ್ಣ ವಿಲಂಬಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾಂ ದಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತತ್ತರಿ ದತ್ತತ್ತಂ ಕುದಗಿಡ ಗಿಡ ತೆಗೆ ತೋಡಗದಂ ತೋಡಗದಂ ತೋಂದಿ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಮೋದಗ ಹಸ ಚಾಮರ ಕರ್ಣ ವಿಲಂಬಿತ ಸೂತ್ರ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಪುತ್ರ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಪಾದ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಗಣಪತೇ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಣಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಣಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ.
Ragam, Natai, and Tala Chaturashra. Ganesh Gautam is an expressive dance in praise of Lord Ganesha, whose strength is equal to millions of suns. He is also known as Vignaharta, the one who removes all obstacles and difficulties and blesses, the one who has a long trunk, fan-like ear, where face resembles elephant. I worship and offer my prayer to him. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have Ganesh Gautam in Ragam, Natai and Tala Chaturashra.
Diku taka tadingi na ret tai tam ret tai tam tat tam kutta ketta kinna tunga dekku tam tunga tang kotto dinta kutta ketta kinna tunga dekku tam tunga tam ke tam tam tarikida tom dikkum tari dikkida kida taka dikkittunga
அரிதிருமருகனை விக்ன விநாயக வினை கெட அருளிய கணபதி ஜய ஜய. அரிதிருமருகனை விக்ன விநாயக வினை கெட அருளிய கணபதி ஜய ஜய. அரிதிருமருகனை விக்ன விநாயக வினை கெட அருளிய கணபதி ஜய ஜய. ஹரிதிருமருகனை விக்ன விநாயக வினை கெட அருளிய கணபதி ஜய ஜய.
dikkita uttanakka jam jam dikkita uttanakka jam jam dikkita uttaragadam jam
கிட முனரகடம்
jam
அதிகை துதிக்கை யானை முகதம
tongida kida taka tongu taka
தேவகர் கணபதி
kida taka dikkittunga
கணபதி கோதுவம் கற்றவர் வீணையர்
kudutam ukkudukai dikku dodikku
யானை முகதம
tavar meenayara ukkudutam
உக்குடுதை தாக்குதி குத்தாக்கி தொங்கிட கிட்ட தகிடல் தங்கி கிட்ட தகதீக்கி தாம் ததக
we have Alaripu in Ragam, Natai and Talam Trishra. It is the shortest and the simplest item of Bharatanatyam. It is again an invocatory piece for doing obeisance to the gods and the audience. Alaripu means flowering or opening of the bodies and limbs for more difficult items in Bharatanatyam. Hence, it is a short piece with simple poses and movements, with simple tune and rhythm. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have Alaripu in Ragam, Natai and Talam Trishra.
தலங்கு தக்க ததிங்கின தோம் தத் தை தையும் தத்தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தத் தை தையும் தத்தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தலங்கு தக்க ததிங்கின தோம் தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தை தத் தை கிட்டத்தக்க தாம் கிட்டத்தக்க தை தத் தை
What an amazing performance. So next we have Jatiswaram in Ragam Kalyani and Talam Rupakam, a more difficult item in pure dance, that is Nritta, executed to the tune of a combination of swaras, passages in a particular raga and tala. In Jatiswaram, the grouping of rhythmic syllables, are formed first and the swaras are set according to the jatis. Hence it is called Jatiswaram. So ladies and gentlemen, we have Jatiswaram in Ragam, Kalyani and Talam Rupakam.
sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni ri sa ni ri ga ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni ri sa ni ri ga ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni sa ni ri ga ma ga
Talangu takadiku takatadikina tom ta hata jam tarita kakundari kukundari kita taka tata hata jam taritai kakundari kukundari kita taka ta hata jam tarita jam tari jagadaritai tat jam tari taka jam tari taka nam tari taka nam tari ta dhi takadiku tadingina tom ta dhi takadiku tadingina tom ta dhi takadiku tadingina tom
sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni sa ni ri ga ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni sa ni ri ga ma ga ma da ni sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni sa ni ri ga ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni sa ni ri ga ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni sa ni ri ga ma ga ma pa da ni sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ma ga ri ni sa ni ri ga ma pa ga ma pa da ni sa da ni sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni sa ni ri ga ma pa da ni sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni sa ni ga ma pa da ni sa ni da ba da ma ga ri ni sa ni ri ga ma pa da ni gama pa da ni sa gari sa ni sa ni da pa ma pa sa ni da pa ni da pa ma gari ga ma gari sa ni ga ma da ga ma da ni ri sa ni da pa da ma gari ni sa.
तालियों की गूंज कम नहीं होना चाहिए। ये सबसे बड़ा आइटम है हमारे भरतनाट्यम में। इसमें इतनी एनर्जी चाहिए रहती है कि फर्स्ट कोरबे में ही एनर्जी ख़त्म हो जाती है। हमारा नेक्स्ट आइटम है मुरुगन कौत्वम इन रागम षण्मुग प्रिय एंड तालम आदितालम। इस गाने का सॉन्ग कंपोजर है तंजौर कॉट्रे। Our next presentation by the students are seeking the blessings of Lord Murugan, who is also known as Subramanyam. It is composed by Tanjore Kotre in Ragam Shanmuga Priya Setu Aditalam. Here the composer says, "O mind, please worship at the feet of Lord Perumal, who took up the spear to destroy the consequences of our deeds. Let's worship him, who stood across the skies on his peacock, went around on Mount Kailash. Let us obtain blessings from the handsome Lord, who has the capacity to tear apart the sea and splinter the mountains." So ladies and gentlemen, we have Murugan Kautram presented by Priyal Mali, Karen Chetia, Tashvi Pujari and Akshara Pillai. Give a huge round of applause.
తక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తరిగిడతాం జన్న కిట్ట తిర్ర కిట్ట తక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తరిగిడతాం
జన్న కిట్ట కిర్ర కిట్ట తక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తరిగిడతాం తక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తగు తరిగిడ తగ తక్కిన్నం జగిన్నం
జన్న కిట్ట తిర్ర కిట్ట తక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తరిగిడతాం తక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తక తరిగిట తక తక్కిన్నం దిక్కిన్నం తాం
జన్న కిట్ట కిర్ర కిట్ట తక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తరిగిడతాం తక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తగు తరిగిడ తగ తక్కిన్నం జగిన్నం
తక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తక తరిగిట తక తక్కిన్నం దిక్కిన్నం తాం తక్కుడు దిక్కుడు తక తరిగిట తక తక్కిన్నం దిక్కిన్నం తాం
வேலையரே வேல் வாங்கும் பெருமான் அடியினை தொழும் மனமே ஜக ஜக விநாயகரே வேல் வாங்கும் பெருமான் அடியினை தொழும் மனமே ஜக ஜக விநாயகரே வேல் வாங்கும் பெருமான் அடியினை தொழும் மனமே வேல் வாங்கும் பெருமான் அடியினை தோழும் மனமே தொங்கிட கிட்ட தொங்கிடு நங்கிட தொங்கிட கிட்ட தக தோங்குணா குத்தோம்
கிட்ட தக தோக்கிட கிட்ட தக நந்தன கிண்ண நக்க தோம் தாஹத்த தோக்கிட தோக்கிட கிட்ட தக தோக்கிட தோக்கிட கிட்ட தக தோக்கிட கிட்ட தக நந்தன கிண்ண நக்க தக்க நக்க நக்க சம்
கான மயிலேறி கைலாசம் சுழலவன் இளையவனே தொழுவாய் காலவிதௌவன உடையவனே கானுமயிலேறி கைலாசம் சுழலவரும் இளையவனே தொழுவாய் காலவிதௌவன உடையவனே
ஜனகிட்ட ஜனகிட்ட கிட்ட தக ஜன்ன கிட்ட
கடல் கிழிய மலை முடிய வரும் முருகன் என்னை வினைய அருளது பெருநம் கடல் கிழிய மலை முறிய வரும் முருகன் என்னை வினைய அருளது பெருநம்
கிட தக கிட தக தோ கிட கிட தக தோ தோ கிட தக
தாக்குதி குதகீத தோம் கிட கிட தக டல்